Bubble tubes are a captivating piece of sensory equipment. The combination of ever-changing bubbles and colors create an ideal, calming, multi-sensory environment. When you purchase a bubble tube from eSpecial Needs, it will arrive in the mail with everything you need for assembly, aside from distilled water. To begin assembly, check and make sure you have the following: 1 wooden platform, 1 acrylic tube, which should be equipped with another tiny tube on the end of it, a black cap for the tube, a remote control, 4 screws, an Allen wrench, and you might want to grab your own Phillips head screwdriver. First, remove the lid on the top of the platform by unscrewing the connectors on both sides. Place the bubble column on top of the wooden slats, positioning the holes on the pre-drilled holes of the slat and aligning them perfectly. Tighten the screws with an Allen wrench. Plug in the air pump. Replace the platform lid. Replace and tighten the connector screws. Turn on your bubble tube without any water in it. Begin filling the bubble tube with distilled water. Fill to the indicated fill line on the top of the tube. Please remember, if you want to clean your bubble tube, do so with a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution in a soft cloth. Replace the water every 3 months, and now you're ready to enjoy your bubble tube!